we're in the Blackstone Hall. Let's cook a chicken burger. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. So I gotta tell you guys, grinding your own meat for burgers is a real game changer. You can grind your meat, you can grind whatever meat you want, and you can grind it any consistency you want. I've ground up a bunch of chicken breasts in nice coarse grind. And what we're making is Greek style chicken. So we need to add a few Greek style ingredients to it. One thing is diced garlic. Of course, garlic goes into any Greek dish. You know that, garlic. And I've got some diced red onion. I put that right in the burgers. The red onion. That's about a half a large red onion. Then I've got some feta cheese, crumbled feta cheese, which is really good stuff. I want to crumble that into the burger mixture. I'm going to put quite a bit of that in there. I don't know, I want those big pieces to get stuck in my burger though. I like them a little smaller than that. I'm going to crumble them up in there. I'm going to put about half of this container of feta cheese in there. Then I've got some onion, it's not onion, this is spinach that I cut up. Spinach to cut up into little pieces to put in my chicken burgers. Get the spinach, feta cheese, onion, and garlic, and we're going to mix that all together, and then we'll patty this up, and we'll make some chicken burgers on the Blackstone. I'm going to smash them, but I'm not going to make actual smash burgers out of them. But these are going to be really good because, you know, every bite's going to have a piece of that cheese and garlic and spinach and onion in there. So yeah, let me get this all mixed up and pattied up, and we'll get the Blackstone cranked up, and we'll make some chicken burgers. What do you think? How's it look so far? Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. Get that mixed up well. Okay, stay tuned. I completely forgot to show you guys the spice that I'm putting in this. This is Lane's Shake and Steak. Let me tell you what's in here. This has got flake salt, pepper, rosemary, thyme, onion, garlic, all sorts of good stuff in there. We're going to put some of that in there, season up those chicken burgers with it real well. I'm going to dump a bunch of that in there and get that mixed in as well. I forgot to bring it out here when I first started mixing, but it's all okay now. It's all good now. Got our lanes in there. We're going to patty up some burgers and get them on the Blackstone. Stay tuned. Okay, got the Blackstone cranked up. Going to throw some oil down over here. Got the left side on about medium. Got the right side on low, but I'm thinking of turning it off because it gets a little too hot. So I think I'm going to turn the right side off. Put my bun down over here. Let it get toasted up. Then we're going to get one of these chicken patties down here. Get it in that fire. Get it in that oil. And there's the other one. And I've got my parchment paper at the ready. Griddle's not quite hot enough yet. Gotta let it warm up a little bit. Starting to cook right there. Not ready to do any smashing though. Chicken smashies. What do you think? We're not smashing them down real flat. I'm just going to smash them down a little bit. Just a little smash on my chicken burger. Not like a, there you go, not like a hamburger, but just to smash my chicken burger down a little bit. Get it a uniform size like that. And we'll get them chicken burgers cooking on there. I think I'll throw a little bit more of that Lane's seasoning on there. That stuff is really good. Good stuff. Get some of that on there that I forgot to put in the earlier episode. Yes, my chicken burger's getting cooked up. Chicken's got to be well cooked. You can't mess around with chicken or you'll get in trouble. You'll regret it. Seriously regret it if you don't cook your chicken all the way through. Chicken patties with feta cheese, spinach, onion, and garlic in them. And the seasoning as well. Okay, let's let them cook a little bit. We'll flip them over. We'll throw some cheese on them, some more cheese. And then we'll put together this my big fat Greek chicken burger. Stay tuned. Alright, my chicken burger's been rocking along for a while. Time to flip them, I think. Give them a flip, see how they look. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Flip this other one over. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. I want to see that crispy crust on there. I'm going to drop a little bit more oil on the griddle. Make them fry. I'm also going to throw some cheddar cheese on top of them. I want to check them with my thermometer. Where'd my thermometer go? There it is. I want to make sure you get chicken to about at least 165 degrees internal. If you don't, you know, you could be messing with yourself. That was about 163. That was about 164. So I'm not too worried about them at this point. So throw some cheese on them. Cheese them up even further. They have feta cheese inside of them. They're going to have cheddar cheese on top. That cheddar cheese broke. Made me mad, but that's okay. Get that one on top of there. Yeah, we'll cook them up. We're almost ready to assemble my big fat Greek chicken burger, so stay tuned. Okay, I got my bottom bun ready. We're gonna assemble some condiments here. We've got some tzatziki sauce, which you know is delicious. You put it on your gyros. What we made is kind of a chicken gyro burger. Then I'm gonna put some spinach, baby spinach down on there to give it the look of greenery, you know what I'm saying? We'll put our first patty on that spinach. Hopefully that spinach is showing through. A little bit more tzatziki sauce, I think, on top of that. Yeah, good stuff. Let's put our other patty on top of that. Double chicken patty, baby. Oh, it's hot. Oh, that was hot. That was hot. Let me tell you what. Okay. Did we get enough spinach on there? I don't know. Let's put some more tzatziki sauce on top of that. I love tzatziki sauce. And we'll get some onion. Got some sliced onion here. Sliced onion and some tomato. I love tomato as well in tzatziki sauce. We've got enough spinach on there, I think. We've got enough tomato on there too, I think. And that should make a pretty picture for our thumbnail of our big fat Greek chicken burger. Let me get a picture of that and a beer and we'll take a taste of this, so stay tuned. Ladies and gentle folk, my big fat Greek chicken burger is done. Here's today's beer. This is the third of Rivet Gardner's beers that he sent me. Green Dragon Double IPA India Pale Ale, Double IPA from SBC Springfield Brewing Company. This is another Missouri beer. That's where Rivet Gardner lives, Missouri. And he sent me this one, Green Dragon. I wonder if it's going to be green. I don't know, maybe. No, it's not green. It's regular beer color. But it looks good. It's looking good. I might have botched the pour a little bit. A little bit. Got a little bit too much head on it. What do you think? It won't. We won't kill us. It won't kill us. We got something to quaff now. We can quaff the froth off of that. It's got some froth to quaff. Green Dragon. It doesn't say too much about it. A big, juicy imperial. No, big, juicy tropical melon flavor. Let's find out. Let's see if we can sniff any melon on there. I don't smell it. It smells like an IPA, but let's take a taste of it. Let's quaff the froth off it. I'm not detecting any melon flavor, to be honest with you. It is a very nice IPA though. Very nice. Rivet, John, thank you a lot for the beer. We've got one more beer to go from Rivet Gardner. Let's get my, not sure how I'm going to do this, my big fat Greek chicken sandwich. Let's get some of that in my mouth. Stay tuned. I've got a napkin standing by, but I don't think it's going to help because this is one sloppy ass burger, let me tell you what. But you know, I love a challenge and I love a sloppy burger, so let's do this. Let's get this thing up in the air and get it in my mouth. Stay tuned. Mmm. Mmm. That's delicious. It tastes like chicken souvlaki on a bun. I don't know how to describe it. It's wonderful. I checked that patty with a thermometer to make sure it was cooked through, and it was. And yeah, it's good to go. Goodness, chicken goodness. Let me tell you what, babies. Like I said earlier, having a meat grinder is a game changer. It's delicious. Chicken, my big fat Greek chicken burger. There you go. You know what I always say? I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and visit my friend Jason. Jason is a talented cook. He says he's never cooked professionally, that he only cooks at home, but I'll tell you what, that guy's got some skill. The name of the channel is Regular Folks Food. Go check out Jason. Subscribe to me, subscribe to Jason. He don't need any help. He's knocking it down. He's knocking down the YouTubes. But anyway, go check out Jason. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And John, this beer is excellent. Green Dragon. I don't detect any melon in it, but it does. It's an IPA. It's a good IPA. Babies, I hope you enjoyed my video. We'll see you next week. Bye!